Greetings, my friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. There are huge developments on the fourth stimulus package. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi just announced that more stimulus relief money will be passed. Also, a fourth stimulus package has been confirmed, and it will provide new $400 relief checks to all eligible Americans. So, my friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video. And do share this video with your friends and family. If they need more reliable stimulus news, do stay tuned until the end of this video to learn who the three winners are of this week's Walmart gift card giveaway.
We're building this economy from the bottom up and the middle out, and something incredible is happening. We're seeing a manufacturing revival like never before. The pride that comes from stamping products made in America. That, hold a minute, one of the things you should be aware of, there's a law I was unaware of when I was a senator, to be honest with you. It's called Made in America. As President of the United States, I get to allocate over $600 billion in spending on federal projects. Any federal project, President since 1939, has been able to say that entire project has to be made in America before I'm going to pay for it. Well, guess what? 55% of the product was made in America was thought to be made in America. I'm changing that. It has to be a minimum of 75%. Blue-collar workers making an average of $135,000 a year in these factories. And as soon as the Congress sends me the bipartisan innovation bill, a bill that will invest another $52 billion in computer chips. I might add, by the way, we invented the computer chip here in America. We advanced the computer chip here in America. Then we stopped making the computer chip here in America. And that's going to bring down prices of automobiles, appliances, and so much more. And that's not just Intel. So look at Ford. I had a long discussion with Ford and General Motors and the Detroit factories. Ford's committed $11 billion to build electric vehicles in America, the biggest investment they've ever made. GM has committed $7 billion to build electric vehicles.
So friends, here is some awesome news for you today. Democratic lawmakers in the state of California now want to pass new legislation for taxpayers to receive a $400 tax rebate check to help with the rising costs of everyday items and services like gas prices. So friends, it's really wonderful to hear that some lawmakers are finally taking action for their residents. The proposal is that every Californian resident who pays their state income taxes would be provided a $400 rebate to aid the impact of the rising costs, regardless of how much money they are earning. As the rebate check would go out to individual taxpayers, a married couple would receive $800. There are some who think that the decision on this rebate will be made when the legislature and California governor agree on the entire state budget, which is typically around late June. However, my friends, many assembly members have called for this money to be sent out as soon as possible. During a press conference, the California state officials said, "Our goal is to be able to do this thing in the spring, and all the folks here are going to be pushing really, really hard to make that happen." Governor Gavin Newsom's administration is expecting to have a budget surplus of around $45 billion, so there will be plenty of money available to help the citizens of California. Governor Newsom stated, "There is an urgent need right now with the high cost across the board, not just gas, but all of our daily living costs have increased. People need relief now." According to many California state officials, the $400 tax rebate amount has been used as it equates to the sum that most Californian residents pay in state excise taxes on gasoline per year. On average per year, California drivers fill up their gas tanks 52 times, with the gas tax set at 51 cents per gallon. The key part is that both Democratic and Republican leaders are in a lockstep on this issue, as they want to aid Californian residents who have been negatively affected by the higher gas prices, on top of all the other rising costs, like food, housing, and so on. Another option that could occur, that's if they decide to not send out the tax rebate check, is that they may change the state's fuel tax rates. So my friends, do you all agree with a $400 tax rebate check? Please let me know in the comment section below. Conversations in Congress have also turned to possible aid for small businesses, restaurants, gyms, and performance venues that have been hardest hit by this new surge in this crisis. Momentum is building for more crisis relief funding to support restaurants and other businesses that are struggling to stay afloat in the face of the latest wave of this crisis. The lawmakers who are involved in negotiations say that support has been building among members for legislation aimed at supporting businesses that have been disproportionately hit by the crisis. Senate Democrat Ben Cardin, who was the chair of the Senate Small Business and Entrepreneurship Committee and a leader in discussions on the matter, expressed optimism when discussing he and Senate Republican Roger Wicker's efforts to gain more backing for the push among their colleagues. Senator Cardin said that the primary focus in talks has been to replenish relief funding for restaurants after a previous batch of funds allocated by Congress ran out months back. The funding would come at a very crucial time, and advocates say, as restaurants continue to grapple with the economic effects of this ongoing crisis, especially as staffing shortages persist in many parts of our nation and inflation tacks on to food costs. Many lawmakers have also been considering providing relief to various other businesses that many experts say have been hit hard by the crisis and will continue to face more pressure as it drags on, including many gyms and performance venues. All right, my friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you very, very much for joining me here this Saturday. I greatly appreciate all of you watching my videos daily. The three winners of this past Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway are Vicky Campbell, Richard Williams, and Teresita Holmes. Congratulations, my friends. Please note that if I have announced you as a winner, please make sure to check your notifications to claim your gift card. Also, my friends, do me a humongous favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus information. Thank you very much and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.